Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to discuss assignment number 17 from our The Storied House Part 2. In that, we are going to discuss the adverbial clauses of the sentences. What is an adverb first of all? Adverb is a word which is used to describe the verb, adjective and another adverb. Okay, so in this, what are the adverbs that we are going to discuss? So before that, I want to give you small information about adverbial clauses. Adverb clause is also known as adverbial clause. And in this, we use the subordinate conjunctions like as, since, because, if. Okay, these are all the things we will use in the adverbial clauses. And in the same way, adverb of time, adverb of this manner, adverb of purpose, adverb of cause. These are all the things we will learn in these adverbial clauses. Okay, that everything is given in the textbook. So now here in the question paper we have the questions like this. So first, once you see the question, as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, the children came running to him. Especially these adverbial clauses, most probably we use in the if conditionals also. Okay, so in if conditionals we have some rules that if you are using the if conditional in the middle of the sentence, there will be no usage of a pausing or the comma. If you are using if conditional at the beginning, then we have to use the comma. Is it right? Okay, so now here in this, what are the adverbial clauses? He is asking identify the adverbial clause in the following sentences. So first one you see, as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, the children came running to him. Now in this lesson we know the story that as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, he is lifting the box, his heavy box, and he was slowly walking towards his home. On the way he came to this Buddha Vihar. Before that it was a building called Takya. Okay, after that who adopted this Buddhism, they named it as Buddha Vihar in the lesson. That point we have already discussed. Now here, as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar, the children came running to him. So what is the adverbial clause in this? Okay, now here, this already just now I said we have to use the conjunctions at the beginning, subordinate conjunctions in the adverbial clause. So here in this sentence, as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar. So this is the adverbial clause in the sentence. Next one, as Bayaji neared Buddha Vihar. So here answer is given once you check it. Next one, since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, the elder son in service and the two daughters were already home to greet him. So when he has come to the village, his elder son and his two daughters, they were there to welcome this man, because the remaining sons were there, some other places they were working. And now here, who is there here to greet this man, to welcome this man? His elder son and the two daughters. So since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, so for a good purpose he was coming to the village, and after his retirement he was coming to the village, right? So now here, what is the adverbial clause in this? Since, just now I have discussed, since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, this is the adverbial clause in this. Next one, Bayaji was amused that his daughters thought in this childish manner even after they had children of their own. So this is very amusing thing for this Bayaji, because even though his daughters, they got married, they have their own families, they have given the birth to the children, but in a childish manner they are asking to their father that Nana, what did you bring for us? In that way they were asking. So this shows that the childish nature of this his daughters. But here, what is the adverbial clause? Bayaji was amused. Amused means here surprised. Okay, his daughters thought in this childish manner, even after they had children of their own, even after they had given the birth of their own children, they are behaving in a childish manner. So here, in this adverbial clause is even after they had children of their own, even after. So this is adverbial clause in this question. Next one, Bujaba did not respect Bayaji because the latter was a mahar. So here, in this sentence, Bujaba did not respect Bayaji. Bujaba Patil, Kondiba Patil, these people are very, very against to these people, this Bayaji especially, because he was a mahar by caste. In those days, mahars means they are very, very, they treated and ill-treated these people were, and they were lower caste people, so that's why here they were not at all equally measured in the society. They were ill-treated. So this Kondiba Patil and Bujaba Patil, they were so much jealous of this Bayaji. So that's why here Bhujaba did not respect Bayaji because the latter was a mahar. Because is a subordinate conjunction here. So this is adverbial clause. Because the latter was a mahar. Next one. If you want to live happily, you must quit the idea of building a storied house. Here, just now I said if conditionals. If conditionals in adverbial clauses, if you insert if conditional at the beginning, we have to use the comma in the middle of the sentence. You see, if you want to live happily, here comma is there. You quit the idea of building a storied house. So this is first type of if conditional. Possible condition this is. Okay, that possible conditions, that everything we will discuss in our next sessions. So here, if you want to live happily, this is the adverbial clause in this. Is it clear? Now, come to the next paper. Now, 6-1 you see. He forgot his, now combine the pairs of sentences by using the words given in brackets. Here in brackets some and this coordinate conjunctions are given for us. So by using them we have to frame the sentence. We have to utilize this bracket word and we have to frame the sentence. He forgot his position as a Hindu. He turned a Buddhist. We have to use because. So here how to use this sentence? He forgot his position as a Hindu because he turned a Buddhist. Just remove the full stop here and insert the subordinate conjunction in this. And while using this subordinate conjunctions, we should not use any commas or full stops in the middle of the sentence. At last, we have to use the full stop. Okay, next one. See the answer. He forgot his position as a Hindu because he turned a Buddhist. Next one. Bayaji came home. One sentence. His wife felt very happy. What happened here? Bayaji came home. He came home and how his wife felt very happy she felt. And in the lesson we have discussed that here she covered her face with the end of her saree and she lifted the box from her husband and she kept it down. Okay, so this sentence, Bayaji came home, his wife felt very happy. So here we are telling the reason. As Bayaji came home, his wife felt very happy. Okay, why she is very happy? Because her husband came home. So that's why here we are using the coordinate, this is a subordinate conjunction. As Bayaji came home, his wife felt very happy. And again, we can write the sentence in the same way by using as in the middle. His wife felt very happy as Bayaji came home. Okay, in that way also we can write the sentence. Next one, Bayaji's children came home. Bayaji returned. Now here also two sentences in the bracket they had given since. So at the beginning of the class we have discussed since also can be used as a subordinate, this coordinate conjunction. Now since Bayaji returned, his children came home. So here also in two ways we can write the answer. Bayaji's children came home since Bayaji came home. So here whenever we are using this since, here in the middle of the sentence if you are using the subordinate conjunction or this adverbial clauses, we have to use no commas. Okay, at the end of the sentence only we have to use the full stop. Next one, you may not attend the class. You don't want to come again. If conditional we have to use. So very easy to identify this. You may not attend the class if you don't want to come again. Or if you don't want to come again, here see, if conditional we are using at the beginning. So if whenever we are using the if conditional, you have to use the comma. And if you don't want to use come again, you may not attend the class. Okay. Now the last one you see. Bayaji was about to come down the stairs, full stop. Then it crumbled down in flames. We have to use when. When also we have to use as a conjunction here. When Bayaji was about to come down the stairs, here comma, it crumbled down in flames. Which here when he was coming down, it collapsed to the ground. Okay, ma. So with this our session is completed. We will meet again in another session. Till then, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.